Synonyms for great with examples. Admirable. The book is admirable in respect of style. Amazing. Rainforests are filled with amazing creatures. Arresting. The strange but arresting creatures become instant celebrities. Astonishing. The new houses have been built with astonishing speed. Awe-inspiring. The building was awe-inspiring in size and design. Awesome. Wow. That's totally awesome. Beautiful. The dawns here in the mountains are very beautiful. Breathtaking. The profundity of this book is achieved with breathtaking lightness. Brilliant. Her mother was a brilliant scientist. Capital. The business disposed of all its capital assets. Captivating. He found her captivating. Clever. He is very clever and endlessly resourceful. Commanding. He has a commanding presence and deep, authoritative voice. Commendable. Mr. Sparrow has acted with commendable speed. Confounding. I think they are absolutely confounding. Dazzling. You are my most dazzling lights. Delightful. It has been a most delightful evening. Distinctive. She's got a very distinctive voice. Distinguished. I think grey hair makes you look very distinguished. Dramatic. The nation is gripped by the dramatic story. Dreamy. What's he like? I bet he's really dreamy. Electrifying. The view of the mountains was electrifying. Engaging. It's an engaging manner that easily deceives. Enjoyable. We had a most enjoyable evening. Estimable. He is an estimable and likeable young fellow. Excellent. I'm sure you can do an excellent job next time. Exceptional. Christopher is a man of exceptional talent. Exemplary. Her behaviour was exemplary. Exquisite. Her wedding dress was absolutely exquisite. Extraordinary. What an extraordinary thing to say. Extravagant. I can have a brainstorm and be very extravagant. Eye-catching. The posters come in several eye-catching designs. Fabulous. This is a fabulous album. It's fresh, varied, fun. Fantastic. For some inexplicable reason he gave up a fantastic job. Fantastical. The book has many fantastical aspects. Far out. You got the job. Far out. Fascinating. Hong Kong is a vibrant, fascinating city. Finest. He pointed out the finest pictures to me. First rate. The school has turned out some first-rate students. Flawless. Her English is almost flawless. Glorious. It was a glorious winter day, crisp and clear. Grand. He lives in a grand house. Imposing. The fortress is an imposing building. Impressive. The front of the museum is very impressive. Incomparable. His singing voice is incomparable. Incredible. I felt I'd made an incredible discovery. Inestimable. The value of your assistance is inestimable. Inspiring. The sound of martial music is always inspiring. Invaluable. The painting is invaluable. Laudable. His noble ideas and polite behavior are laudable. Lavish. The food was lavish. Lovely. The countryside around there is lovely. Luxurious. She had come to enjoy Roberto's luxurious lifestyle. Magnific. Between the 80s and 90s of the 19th century, a large number of magnific houses had been constructed along the southwest. Magnificent. The Capitol is a magnificent building. Majestic. The Rockies are majestic in size. Marvelous. It was a marvelous performance. Masterful. The violinist gave a masterful performance. Miraculous. She's made a miraculous recovery. Monumental. It's a truly monumental work, at an unbeatable price. Notable. This is a notable step forward. Noteworthy. The bridge is noteworthy for its sheer size. Out of this world. His idea is always out of this world. Out of sight. The price of the house we like is out of sight. Outstanding. That was a quite outstanding performance. Overwhelming. The general effect of the painting is overwhelming. Perfect. The couple lives in perfect harmony. Phenomenal. The product has been a phenomenal success. Priceless. These antique paintings are priceless. Profound. I give you my profound thanks for saving my life. Prominent. Maidler played a prominent role in the early years of the ANC. Refreshing. It's refreshing to meet someone who is so dedicated to their work. Remarkable. She was a truly remarkable woman. Resplendent. He's looking resplendent. You didn't know that he has a breastplate of medals, did you? Sensational. You look sensational in that dress. Skillful. That is a skillful operation. Special. This type of wood needs special treatment. Spectacular. This is a spectacular film. Staggering. The financial impact on the town was staggering. Startling. Her technical accomplishment on the piano is startling. Striking. There is a striking difference between Jane and Mary. Stunning. You look really stunning in that dress. Towering. He was in a towering rage about his lost watch. Transcendent. In this way, it has a transcendent harmony and metaphysical nature. Tremendous. We went to a tremendous party. Unique. Every boring hour in life is unique. Unmitigated. The evening was an unmitigated disaster. Wonderful. I love the spring, it's a wonderful time of the year. Wondrous. It was a wondrous thing to see the sea for the first time.